In this video, we will give you an overview of the 5850. This model has been upgraded and it now features a 700 TV line image sensor. Its industrial style housing offers true IP66 weather protection. It has a built-in heater element that allows for use in temperatures down to negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. With 4 super infrared LEDs, this camera offers long-range night vision up to 260 feet with little IR glare and long life. There's also space inside the enclosure to fit a small wireless transmitter to make this camera wireless. This camera is wall mountable, and the bracket can be adjusted so that the camera can swivel to the desired location. It can also tilt up and down. To tilt the camera, you're going to adjust the 2 screws on the sides of the bracket with your Allen key wrench. Loosen them up and adjust the top portion of the bracket. Once it's set to the desired tilt, you're going to tighten the screws. To get the camera to swivel, you're going to loosen the screw in the front on this little guidance track. Once it's loose, you can twist it left and right. Set it to the desired location and tighten the screw. Here you can see a video sample of the 5850 as a car passes by at 10 miles per hour. Here you can see the camera zoomed in on a car 60 feet away. You can clearly see the license plate. The camera zooms out and see the same car 60 feet away.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook. Thank you for watching.